Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to enter Form 1099-G in TurboTax. When it comes to filing your taxes, knowing how to accurately enter Form 1099-G in TurboTax is crucial, especially if you've received unemployment compensation or other government payments over the past year. Getting this right not only ensures accuracy in your tax return, but also helps you maintain compliance with tax regulations, potentially saving you from future headaches. In this detailed guide, we'll walk you through every step, making the entire process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the TurboTax official website. This is your go-to resource for filing taxes online, offering a secure and reliable platform for all your tax-related needs. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, now is the time to do so. It's a simple process, and once you're signed up, you can easily log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. From this central hub, you'll want to navigate to the Federal section. This is an important area where you will input all federal tax information, including the crucial 1099-G form that we're focusing on today. After entering the Federal section, look for the option labeled Wages and Income. Clicking this will take you to a comprehensive list of various income types and sources. To make things quicker, you can type 1099-G into the search bar. This feature is a real time saver, allowing you to quickly find the section you need without scrolling through endless options. Once you've located the 1099-G form, select the unemployment option. This is often the most relevant choice since the 1099-G form is commonly associated with unemployment benefits. Now you're almost set to start entering your details. Click on the Start button, which will guide you through the process of inputting information from your 1099-G form. Key information includes the payer's details and the exact amounts reported. Accuracy is key here, so double-check everything you input to ensure it aligns with your actual form. One important point to note: TurboTax may prompt you to upgrade your plan to accurately report this type of income. Sometimes, filing certain forms requires features available only in a higher-tier service, which might involve an additional fee. Be prepared for this possibility, especially if you're dealing with unemployment claims or other complex income streams. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've ensured that your tax information is complete and ready to be submitted on time. Remember, taking care of your taxes is not just about meeting deadlines, it's about staying organized and compliant with government regulations. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult TurboTax's support resources for additional guidance. Filing taxes doesn't have to be daunting when you tackle it one step at a time. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to enter Form 1099-G in TurboTax quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to enter Form 1099-G in TurboTax, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.